Student, we discuss here about reason and assertion and reason question in electrochemistry. Faraday law we will discuss here. 1 Faraday represent 1 mole of electrons according to Faraday law definition. Equivalents deposited. 1 Faraday always deposit 1 equivalent of any substance. 1 Faraday always deposit 1 equivalent of any substance. 1 Faraday of electricity deposits exactly 1 gram equivalent of aluminium. If we discuss about aluminium, 1 Faraday of electricity deposited 1 gram equivalent of aluminium or 1/3 mole of aluminium. Why it is so? Because 1 mole of aluminium is equal to 3 equivalents of aluminium. And how do we get these equivalents? Because number of moles equivalents is equal to moles of any substance divided by valence factor. Okay, so when valence factor of aluminium is 3, so thrice of equivalent is equal to 1 mole of aluminium. So I will write down here. So equivalent of aluminium is equal to moles of aluminium divided by 3. So suppose if we can write down like this also. 3 equivalents of aluminium is equal to, here nothing is there, 1 mole of aluminium. Clear? So in this way we can say 1 mole of aluminium is equal to 3 equivalents of aluminium. Now assertion. Molten aluminum chloride when electrolyzed using 0.1F deposit 0.1 gram equivalent of aluminium. This is a true statement. Mass of substance deposited is directly proportional to the amount quantity of electricity. This is also true. Assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not the correct answer for the correct explanation. So assertion and reason is both a statement true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So how do I written here? AlCl3 gives Al3 positive plus 3 Cl negative. We consider about only this. Al3 positive plus 3 electron. 3 Faraday deposited 1 mole of aluminium, that is 3 equivalents of aluminium. I told you here that 1 mole of aluminium is equal to 3 equivalents of aluminium. So 3 Faraday deposit 1 mole of aluminium, that is 3 equivalents of aluminium. So 0.1 Faraday deposit this mole of aluminium or 0.1 gram equivalents of aluminium. So number of equivalents is equal to 1/3.